everyone, welcome back to our channel Economics Talk. Today we are going to discuss the numericals from the index number. In the previous classes we have discussed the introduction of index number, we have discussed the types of index number, and we have discussed the formulas, that is the measures of index number. Today we are going to use those formulas to do the numerical. For a quick revision, I am just going to give you a basis where measures of index number are of two types. The first one is simple index number, and under this simple index number, the first one is simple aggregative index number, where the formula is summation P1 divided by P naught into 100, and simple average of price relative is equal to P naught 1 equal to summation R divided by N, where R is the price relative, which is equal to P1 divided by P naught into 100. So with this we are going to start with the numericals. I am just going to give a very simple numerical which will not be very much difficult to understand. Fine. Okay, let's start with the numerical. First of all, we will be dealing with a particular commodity price, obviously. So first bar will be commodity. Next, let's say price in 2000. Okay, next we have is price in 2010. So let's suppose, as this is the previous year, which is lesser than this, so this will be our P naught and this will be our P1. Okay, so let's assume that there are three commodities only, so A, B and C. Let's take easy numbers for the simplification. Let's say 10, 20, 30. Here let's take 20, 30, 40. Now if we go with the first formula, that is simple aggregative index number, we have what? Summation of P1 divided by summation of P naught. So simply we have to make the summation here. So summation of P naught is equal to, here we will have 60, here summation of P1 we will have 40, 30, 20, 90. So 90. Now let's put these things in the formula. We will have P naught 1 is equal to 60 divided by 90 into 100. This will give you 2, this will give you 3. So 200 divided by 3 will be approximately 66.7. Okay, 67. So with this we are done with the first one, that is simple aggregative index number. Let's take one more example for the next question. Let's take again three commodities, then price in 2010, 10, 20, 30, then price in 2020, that is 20, 30, 40. Here it will be P1, it will be P naught, right? This is what we have done till this is clear, I think. Now here we will need to calculate R, where R is equal to P1 divided by P naught into 100. Simple enough. So first, for the first commodity A, the price is 20 in the present year, divided by 10, that is the base year, into 100, we will have how much? 200. Next, 30 divided by 20 into 100, we will get how much? I'm breaking down every bit, okay, for you to understand. 150, and the last is 40 divided by 30 into 100. Now this will give you point values, I guess. Yes. So 400 divided by 3 will be equal to 133.3. Fine. Now after this we have to make a summation of R. So it will be 200, 300, 400, 450, 60, 70, 80. 483.33. Fine. Now after all this, we simply have to put this in the numerical, in the formula. So let's make the formula here. For simple average of price relative, P naught 1 is equal to summation of R divided by N. So R is how much? 483.33, and N is what? Number of commodities, number of observations. So here we have 3 commodities. So if you simply divide it, we will have 161.11. So finally this is the answer for the simple average of price relative. I guess we're done with the first simple index number. In the next class we will be discussing on the weighted index number. Under this we will divide again this into, which is divided into 2 sections. So we will be discussing on the weighted aggregative index number, and next we will be discussing on the weighted average of price relative. Thank you for watching till the last. If you like the channel, if you like the videos, please subscribe to our channel. Comment down your thoughts on this. Thank you everyone. If you find anything which you haven't understand, please comment down. I will simply answer it to you all. Thank you everyone.